Is your old workplace pension pot sitting somewhere, gathering dust and perhaps not growing as much as it could be? If you've moved jobs a few times, it's highly likely you have one or two of these forgotten pots lurking in the background. They might be managed by companies you barely remember, potentially underperforming, and making your overall retirement planning unnecessarily complicated. Wouldn't it be easier if all your pensions were in one place, managed by a platform known for modern, intelligent investing? That's exactly what we're talking about today: how to take control of those old workplace pensions and transfer them over to Nutmeg. We'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process of consolidating your retirement savings with Nutmeg's actively managed or fixed allocation portfolios, giving you a clearer picture of your retirement goals. This transfer isn't just about tidying up, it's about potentially giving your money a better chance to grow and having everything at your fingertips. Faced with monocle step 1, gather your details. Before you start the actual transfer, you need to know exactly what you're transferring. Find the paperwork or contact details for your old pension providers. You'll need key information like the policy number and the name of the provider. Don't worry if it's a bit patchy, even just the name of the old employer can be a good starting point for tracking it down. Laptop computer step 2, start the transfer on Nutmeg's website. Head over to the Nutmeg website or open their app. If you don't already have a Nutmeg pension account, you'll need to set one up first. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the option to transfer an existing pension or consolidate your pensions. This is where the magic happens. Memo step 3, fill in the transfer request form. Nutmeg will ask you for the details you gathered in step 1. You'll specify the provider's name, your policy number, and the approximate value of the pension pot. Nutmeg also requires information about the type of pension. For example, is it a defined contribution or a defined benefit scheme? Be honest and accurate here, as it ensures a smooth transfer. If you're unsure about the type, Nutmeg's customer service team is excellent and can guide you. Shield step 4, the final checks and sign-off. Once submitted, Nutmeg takes over the heavy lifting. They contact your old provider on your behalf. This part involves important checks, especially to confirm that transferring your pension won't result in you losing any valuable benefits or incurring excessive fees from the old scheme. Nutmeg will keep you updated, but remember, this stage can take a few weeks, depending on how quickly the old provider processes the request. White heavy check mark step 5, monitor and manage. When the transfer is complete, your old pension funds will appear in your new Nutmeg account, ready to be invested according to your chosen portfolio. From here, you can easily track its performance alongside your other investments, all in one clear dashboard. You've successfully taken a scattered collection of pensions and turned them into a single, cohesive plan for your future. Consolidating your pensions with Nutmeg is all about simplicity, clarity, and potentially better growth for your retirement. It removes the stress of managing multiple accounts and puts a professional investment team in charge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.